But Love That Yacht and Travel Foodies TV is in Bimini. And you can see the party going on behind us.
Honey,
Yes.
we have been partying our butts off here in Travel Foodies. We're here with about 60 friends who all love boats. It's incredible.
We had fresh salmon on the dock that was smoked and ribs. There's a full pig being roasted in another smoker. There's about 80 boats here. Each one has screaming music and bikini-clad ladies and strong-looking guys.
You saw
And
bikini-clad
oh
ladies,
my!
honey?
No, I didn't actually. I heard
Oh,
about them.
yeah.
And this is a hell of a place
And
to
the
have a
weather's
great
insane.
time. It's only 45 miles from
The weather's
Miami.
like so dramatic. There've been huge storms.
30-mile-an-hour winds, torrential storms, swamping boats, sea turtles jumping out of the air,
That's right.
octopus grabbing on pylines, and of course, a few people like us who just hang around and have a good time. So we Love That Yacht and Travel Foodies TV. Have a great time.
Love you.
Love you.